Discover the ultimate solution for tackling yard waste efficiently with our selection of the best chipper shredders. These powerful machines effortlessly transform branches, leaves, and debris into valuable mulch or compost, saving you time and effort. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best chipper shredders you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Meet the Vivo Sun 15-amp electric wood chipper and shredder, ranked as the number 4 best chipper shredders. With a robust 15 amps motor, it operates at speeds up to 4,800 RPM, efficiently shredding wood sticks and limbs up to 1.77-inch thick. Its steel, dual-edge blades and rust-proof, dent-resistant polypropylene housing ensure durability, promising lasting performance. Designed for convenience, this wood chipper features 6.4-inch diameter sturdy wheels for effortless transportation. Its compact and portable design allows for easy mobility, ensuring you can take it anywhere without hassle. Safety is paramount with overload protection, automatically cutting off power when overloaded to safeguard the unit's longevity. This value pack comes with essential accessories, including a plunger for safe material feeding, a 50-liter collection bag for easy debris disposal, blades, carbon brushes for maintenance, and quality gloves and goggles for protection. Presenting the Champion Power Equipment 3-inch chipper shredder, crowned as the number 4 best chipper shredder for its outstanding performance and reliability. Powered by a robust 224cc Champion single-cylinder OHV engine, this machine boasts a 0.92-gallon fuel tank and 0.63-quart oil capacity, ensuring fast, heavy-duty, and hassle-free chipping and shredding. Designed for durability, its chipper chute features hardened steel blades capable of handling branches up to 3 inches in diameter, while the included 2-bushel collection bag simplifies yard cleanup. Versatility is key, with a shredder chute that swiftly deals with shrubbery, leaves, or yard debris up to 1/2 inch in diameter, complemented by a rear access clean-out port for effortless jam removal. Compact and lightweight, this machine is easy to maneuver and requires minimal storage space in your garage, shop, or shed. Backed by Champion support, enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year limited warranty and free lifetime technical support from dedicated experts. Discover the DK2 3-inch 7HP 208cc chipper shredder, acclaimed as the number 3 best chipper shredder, embodying multifunctional capability and robust construction. Designed for commercial use, this machine boasts an array of features catering to the demanding needs of expansive yards and gardens. Highlighted by its hefty 7-horsepower 208cc CH270 Kohler gas-powered engine, this chipper operates at 4,000 RPM, efficiently pulverizing trees, branches, leaves, and garden debris with its double-edged cutting blades driven by centrifugal force. The extra-large adjustable feed chute accommodates 3 trees and branches, offering versatility for mulching or composting. Engineered for ease of assembly and operation, DK2 ensures a comprehensive package including safety gear and assembly tools, minus engine oil. Safety remains paramount, emphasized by the inclusion of ATV locking wheels, a drop stand, and a removable tow bar for compact storage. With meticulous attention to detail, DK2 emphasizes a commitment to delivering top-notch customer satisfaction and dependable products encapsulated in this high-performance chipper shredder. Introducing the Joe CJ601E, hailed as the number 2 best chipper shredder for good reason. Powered by a robust 14-amp motor, it effortlessly tackles branches up to 1.5 inches thick with a no-load speed of 4,300 RPM, ensuring efficient chipping and shredding. Transforming branches and twigs into nutrient-rich garden mulch becomes a breeze, significantly reducing yard waste to just 1/16 of its original volume and making your gardening endeavors more sustainable. Designed with portability in mind, this chipper shredder features 6-inch wheels, allowing easy maneuverability around your yard. Safety is paramount with the Joe CJ601E, as evidenced by its safety hopper with a locking knob, preventing the motor from operating when opened and ensuring user protection during operation. It offers a powerful and efficient solution to managing yard waste, making it an excellent investment for both amateur gardeners and landscaping professionals alike. With its combination of power, portability, and safety features, the Joe CJ601E stands out as a top contender in the chipper shredder market. The Earthquake Chipper Shredder K33 stands out as the top choice among chipper shredders, offering exceptional performance and durability for handling yard waste. Powered by a robust 301cc gas engine, it effortlessly tackles branches up to 3 inches in diameter, making it a formidable tool for any landscaping or yard maintenance task. Its dual-knife chipper disc and 4 hammer assemblies efficiently shred leaves, pine cones, and smaller sticks. What sets the Earthquake K33 apart is its powerful engine, boasting over 13 foot-pounds of torque, surpassing its competitors. This ensures smooth operation even when faced with the toughest branches that would bog down other chippers. The lower shredder hopper simplifies loading, especially when dealing with bulk debris, while the high-angle handle provides easy transport. Additionally, its dock and lock bagging system simplifies mulch collection and disposal, offering convenience and efficiency. Despite its premium price tag, the Earthquake K33 justifies its cost with superior performance and build quality, making it an excellent investment for those requiring heavy-duty use on larger properties. Overall, it's a well-designed, powerful tool that exceeds expectations, making it the #1 choice for chipper shredders. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.